is not based on the language of words, but of feelings. How the wheel feels to the fingertips.
An attack on New Jersey has been declared. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey Emergency Management. Multiple reports of machines that were described to look like giant tripods have been reported around New Hampshire. These entities have also been spotted within New York and Pennsylvania. These entities have been described to be emitting lasers that are able to turn the victim into dust. These entities have also been reported to abduct victims by unknown means. This is a life-threatening situation, and all residents are required to take the following actions immediately. If you hear any loud noise, take shelter immediately. If you see a laser coming from anywhere above, leave the area immediately. If you are in a car, do not go to your destination and instead take shelter in the nearest building possible. If possible, evacuate the area immediately and take food, water, medical supplies, a first aid kit, important documents, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. If you haven't already, take shelter now.